In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, you need to select Text Correction and tap on this switcher next to autocorrection. This way you will turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!